The smell of jasmine. Love it. Petrichor. It's what we needed. It was so hot. I think it's only going to get more humid after. Where's your mouth? Ha! Okay, I should try and make this snack when I get back. It's roasted coconut shaving with sprinkles of cinnamon. I get hints of cinnamon and some other earthy spices. It's yummy though. This coconut isn't meeting my coconut standards. But yeah, it's not meeting my jelly standards. Yeah, Jamaica still has the best taste in coconut water. And I like the one in Costa Rica too. I think this was my first time having an acai bowl. So that's goji berry, something with, no, papaya, lychee boba, that's acai, mango, something with collagen, coconut, roasted coconut shavings, sprinkled with spices, so good. I love the incense. They make offerings every morning and it smells so good. There's some rice, some food, flowers. The incense is so good. That's a whole pile. I need to get some incense to carry back. Not all incense smells really good, but this one does. How cute is this? The bird, every day, it comes to drink water from the pool. And it's off. Yes. So talented. Game of Thrones fans. Oh, that's a woman in a yoga pose. It's amazing. In Jamaica.
Yeah, in Jamaica.
Yeah.
The best locally put outdoor, indoor is good from Java.
Teakwood from Java. Jamaica. Do you know of Jamaica? Bob Marley, Usain Bolt. Like one. Wow.
This one is,
You're doing a blessing.
and then we have the wood from Bali,
Uh-huh.
the crocodile wood,
Oh, which one? Is that the black one?
white wood. This is
Oh.
crocodile wood because the bark look like.
Oh, because of the stuff on it?
Look like a
That looks like a
person.
crocodile.
And the hibiscus wood, we have the green wood.
Ah. Those are the tools.
This wood you see where of that we have the.
Oh man, people are creative.
Okay,
All the
can you
design
look
comes
inside?
from
You
their
can see
mind.
the finished one of it.
No formal training, no nothing. Ugh, God's favorite. Oh wow. Such talent. Like, wow. Ah. The lion head, a lot of the Rastafarians in Jamaica, that's important. Then you have the Mother Mary for the Catholics. Right now, they got the woman form, right? Mary for the Catholics. Cool. Can't keep stop saying wow. But this is amazing.
So I tell you, if you're interested, the price can be discussed. The price.
Oh, I don't have room in my bag for art. I had just one little bag I came with. Yeah, so wow. This monkey's smoking. Huh. Yeah, I don't like this. It's massive. Not an art collector. There's colorful. Be an elephant.
Rama and Sita, the happy ending.
Okay.
Yeah.
You said the barang is a good spirit, but it looks
Good
scary.
protection.
Oh.
This is the ranga.
Okay.
This is the bad spirit, the tongue out, the bad spirit.
Spirit, okay.
And this is Garuda, Ganesha. This is the Hanuman, the white.
The sign. And they make the furnitures too?
This is just
This is somebody else. Oh, because I'm like, that is pretty.
open.
Oh, I see. And then once you're done, you put back the key.
Then you put the key.
Yeah. These are gorgeous though. People are so talented. Many happy Buddhas. Well, hello. People are so talented. fish. Bye, fish. Bye. Okay. Thanks for being nice. I don't have any food. Close your mouth.
Attention everyone, we will be landing in a few minutes. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Na, tiyakin na nakakabit ang inyong mga seatbelt. Sa lahat ng cabin crew, manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelt.
I'm trying to show you something. I'm down to go when she tired of snow, so we'll ride the boat in Galapagos or try the roads out in Tokyo. Just tell me where you ain't been before. Come pack your bags and leave your baggage. No one needs to understand it. Spending more than what
I don't know if they have a bunch of these all over Asia, but if you ever have a layover in the Philippines, Soko, I think that's what they're called. Yeah, I think you might be they're a Chinese establishment hotel. They charge you by the hour, and I'm impressed. They give you sandals to shower in or maybe just to change in. The bathroom is huge for a few hours. I like that they have the seal. Once they've sanitized things, they put the seal on. It's on the sandals as well. So yeah, it's really nice. Hopefully I'll be able to get some sleep before my next flight. And it's looking out into Manila. So yeah, Sojo in the Philippines. Bed is firm. Options to order. They give me 2 toothbrushes. I guess toothpaste. I have my own. A comb, 2 bottles of water. There's things to do, but I'm tired. A menu, a soap, and bath towel. So yeah, I like it. I'm not adventurous when it comes to food. And I did not think the bowl of soup would be that big. So I ordered this. And it's that. So here goes nothing. Lord, the cheese, they not even melt it.
wanna stay inside. I'm trying to show you something new tonight. Hours from paradise, won't even have to tell me when or why. And I'm down to go when she tired of snow, so we'll ride the boat in Galapagos or try the rolls out in Tokyo. Just tell me where you ain't been before. Come pack your bags and leave your baggage. No one needs to understand it. Spending more than what I got, cause why waste life on something average? There's more than killing all this time, yeah, just to feel alive, yeah, yeah. Come meet me on the other side, yeah, see what we can find, yeah. I wanna take you places your ex couldn't afford to stay in. Hotels more than your own room, chasing that feeling through the sunroof. Anywhere that you like, I'll show you islands that they don't have a map or flying. Tattoos all on your passport, dying to see the world you asked for. No more wasting our time.
I like that the Vancouver Aquarium has some specimen at the airport. Whoa.